Withdrawing money from Capital.com, an online trading platform, involves the following steps. Log in. Access your Capital.com account by logging in with your credentials. Navigate to Withdrawal section. Locate the Withdrawal or Fund section within your account dashboard. This is where you manage your financial transactions. Choose withdrawal method. Capital.com usually offers multiple withdrawal methods such as bank transfer, credit or debit cards, or e-wallets. Select your preferred method. Enter withdrawal details. Depending on the chosen withdrawal method, enter the necessary details. For a bank transfer, you may need to provide your bank account information. Specify withdrawal amount. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw from your Capital.com account. Review and confirm. Double-check all the withdrawal details for accuracy, including the withdrawal amount and destination account. Security verification. Capital.com may require additional security measures such as two-factor authentication or account verification. Check withdrawal status. Monitor the withdrawal status within your Capital.com account. Processing times can vary depending on the chosen withdrawal method.